The long-awaited Model S Plaid event takes place tonight, and here is what we can expect. I'm Brian. Welcome to My Tesla Weekend. The test track was repaved in the last couple weeks, suggesting that attendees will have the ability to go for a ride. There's more evidence for that coming up in just a minute. I will be live streaming the event tonight, though not from the event itself. I hope you can join me for that. It's going to be fun. Link in the description. The next bit of evidence in favor of them actually giving rides is that the stage has been set up right there on the test track, where we can see a number of cars already lined up as if on display. And like at the semi-truck unveiling, which happened to be a "and one more thing" event for the Roadster, the Plaid launching gate has been set up with starting lights, and it's the way you flood the senses while getting thrown back in your seat hard enough to make your eyeballs sweat. And this is the view passengers can expect to see on those rides, but only if the Model S flies. Literally instead of just metaphorically, which I'm going to go out on a limb and say that it will not. There will be no levitation of the Model S. Thanks to Gabe and Cal for allowing use of his footage. He does these no music, no frills, all info drone videos, and if you appreciate them, consider joining me in supporting him on Patreon. And as a reminder, I always get permission, and I financially support all the pilots whose footage I use. There are a lot of Model S's located around the property, and I expect them to begin deliveries tonight to some of the local buyers in attendance. So let me ask, do you think there will be an "oh, and one more thing" event tonight? And what big surprises do you expect in addition to the mere announcement that they're ready for delivery? Will we see updates to Autopilot or FSD? And how the heck did they shave over 400 pounds off the curb weight while increasing performance? Does this car have the 4680 cells? Or does it have 2170s? Or the 19650s it's always had? So what did I miss or misunderstand? Leave me your clever insight below, and as always, stay tuned, stay juicy, and I can't wait to hear from you clever robots in mere hours when the event goes live.